As Nelda likes to say, sometimes all it takes is a spark.
So let's compare that. What does it look like to have, let's say, comparing the boot camp to the traditional university computer science? What's different between the two?
So the first thing I'll say is that a 15-week boot camp is never ever going to is not replacing college. The majority of our students, 90% of them, have college degrees already. The question that we're answering is, why do 90% of college grads need a boot camp in order to get a career that they love, right? Like, that's the disconnect, right? If college and universities were doing their job, we shouldn't exist. Like, what is the point of a technical finishing school that gets you ready for an amazing career if you got that at universities?
Mm-hmm.
So what I think that really boils down to is, every computer science program is different. Harvard is great. Stanford is great. I have no idea what the University of Wisconsin, where I went for college for a year and a half, I have no idea what their computer science program is. The ones that I think succeed are the ones that really are teaching applied skills, right? Where the computer science program is not designed to have you go into academia, but is designed to have you go into industry. Computer science is a hard word, right? Because it covers this massive spectrum of ideas. And there is absolutely a need for the computer science that is abstract and theoretical, that is inventing machine learning algorithms. There is a need for that. And that is, but what about the other 80% of the field that is really about building apps for people? And I think that's where computer science programs struggle, is balancing that idea of, the theoretical and the very much applied and practical. What we really focused on was the practical. Not to say that we didn't teach theory and we didn't teach abstract concepts. We just taught them in the context of very literal things.
So what would they be missing out on anything other than, from not going to a traditional higher education in your mind?
I think that they're probably, again, it's hard to know because every computer science program is different in their concentrations, but I'm sure that they're missing out on really low level concepts, like how to build an operating system, right? I don't know how to build an operating system, how to build a compiler, how to create a new programming language. Those are important concepts if you A, want to go into academia, or B, want to build an operating system. But that's just not practical today. It's way more practical to learn how to build an iPhone app than it is to learn how to build an operating system. So it's just a question of what do you want to teach first? I think that every programmer should also learn how to build an operating system. But before they do that, they should probably learn to build something that's going to get them paid.